Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by Easy Pets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Avengers TV, it's the Petrol Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by the best chairman in the world. I'm chairman.
Angimnanda uThami. Ingane ezolahleko zisibangela umsindo uthi sikutshele ngePirate.
Sharp.
Yeah, uyabona i-team ebengidlala nayo today.
Yeah.
Sikhukhuni is the best team.
Sure.
Yeah. Sikhukhuni is the best team. Why it is the best team? Number 1 kulog yethu.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
President mayengekho ku country normally kwenzakalani mfethu ayimani ihambe ishi country nganamuntu oyigadile.
Deputy.
I-deputy yabamba mangabe president ihambe ne-deputy baye meeting in overseas salabani
Chairperson.
sala unumber 3.
Sure.
So ngizama ukukuchazela ukuthi le team ebengidlala nayo
Yeah.
yile amaHlotman eyitanje ngoba boyangekho last week asayoshaya ijob ngaphandle.
Sure.
Yiye beyigadi country.
Kahle.
So angikhulumi ngomswahla ngikhuluma ngeteam ebeyigadi country. Ngitshela ukuthi ebantwini ebengingabagadisi country bekuyiba abagadi country. So ngakhuluma labe bengidlala nabo today.
Yeah.
Yibo abantu engakhuluma nabo wena Steve.
Yeah, sure.
Understand? It's the best team out here. Sikhukhuni sidlalile. Sikhukhuni is one of ama-Udo se-Pirate. Isikhukhuni asikaze sathi sidlala naso kwabayi-walk off. You understand?
Yeah.
But now we stay humble.
Yeah.
Like Steve.
Yeah.
Thina samabhakaniya mfethu. You understand? Sibuya ukuyodlala ne-best team in Africa manje pyramid.
Sure.
Ngakutshela Steve ngathi le bala eOrlando. Ngathi le was a final before the final. Wangibuza wena wathi ezondlula lapha kuzokwenzakalani. Ngisaselapho Steve but angeke ngibhale incwadi ngizoyishile. Ngikutshelile. But kasikho lapho sila kubhakaniya uThami. Okwamanje mfethu inhliziyo zethu yesizibhlungu but abafana abadlalile Steve. Abafana abadlalile uThami ebholweni kune lose kune draw kune win. We understand into yenzekile manje wona uThami i1 it's only ukuthi wenzakalani
I have a gift for PSD. Tito Maswanganyi, all of the fans. Chafa, I have a gift for them. They will hit. They're still in ICU. This thing, they must eat it. Chiefs must come with another win. They must eat it. Babu Mdau, with an expensive jacket of him. He must eat this.
Sibo ngimka platform.
Sure.
Yeah, ngimka platform. Ngane olahleko lebefaka ijezi eliyelo. Ithe mayibona babathela isibhaq yafaka ijezi elibovu ungangitsheli ngani. Thina ikhosi leninyalazi. Mina ngikutshela ngathi mfethu esihlala simnyama. Mina ngeke ungibone ngifaka iskipa esiyelo ngifaka ikepi eseliblue. Always black out yami. Always black. Ngangitshela ngengane zokulahleka oTito babona laba yile party laba ikhosi. Ngangitshela ngalabo bantu awuthami. Mina ingane zolahleka ngane zomakhelwane. Ngangitshela ngazi awusitshela ngoranga. Usitshela ngoranga. Yeah, thina siyabazi mfethu abantu abathi bezwinduku badle phansi. Ungasitshela ngabomthuwa abantu ekudala babekezelela induku. Ngasitsheli ngabantu ababhaca ngaphansi kwey'dwaba zomama yabona. Baluzi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hayi mfethu thina simnyama. Thibos Saturday se-Orlando. FNB for idabi. After lapho bafethu siya elokhuzana se-Durban. Asilungiseni ke se-Durban ukuthi singanyathelani. Stadium sakhona sincane thiba silingane FNB. Amathikithi already bashila yaphuma Monday ngo-10 o'clock. Ticket it's 150. Amachita wabhaya amathikithi kusanesikhathi. Because laba ekudala bangatholi amakhaphu for 10 years bazosinyathela. Thina sobe swenkile. Sobe white. So asifune kuncola. Ngicela amabhakani ayibhayela amathikithi sambe so support i-team yethu siphakamise lokhuzana icup lethu. uJose awuthi yami ngisasho namanje noma siflopa kulamalanga lawa ngisasho ukuthi is the best coach in our league. Shout out to Jay.